Good morning, students. Today we will begin from the next chapter, a new chapter from the civics portion, that is chapter number 20, Understanding Diversity. Now let us look at the chapter in a glance. We are going to study about geographical diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity and cultural diversity. Now, look around your classroom. You will find that no one looks exactly like someone else. In addition, each student hails from a different family and cultural background. Students also have different academic capabilities, food habit, religious faith, and communicate in different languages. It is quite possible that rest of the people around you may be different from you in many ways. You know that it is the fact that very different people or things exist within a group or place. So when we look around in the classroom, we find that none of the students are similar to each other. Either they are different in color, facial structure, language they speak, or the way they live. So this is what the diversity is. Every person is different in academic, food habit, religious faith, or in a communicating way. So it is quite possible that people around us, they are of different culture, different religion, and they live a different way of life than us. So it is fact that if we live in a group, there are different types of people exist within a group. Now, here the question is, what is diversity? Diversity means the quality or state of being different or varied. We must therefore understand and respect the fact that each individual is unique and therefore different. The difference can be in terms of race, gender, religion, or political belief, and so on. So what the diversity means? The diversity means the quality of being different from one another. We must therefore understand and respect each individual, as each individual is unique and therefore different from one another. They are different in terms of race, gender, religion, religious, political belief, and so on. Now, diversity in India. Since ancient time, people from the various parts of the world have been coming to India and settled down here for various reasons. Different regions have developed diverse and unique culture of their own. Now, to understand how geographical features or historical factors shape the culture of a place, let us examine the way of life different people of India in the term of geographical, economical, religious and cultural diversity live. Now, as we know that India is a very old country, and it has a very ancient history. And in the ancient time, the people from the different part of the world, they came in India and they settled down here for the various purposes. So as they settled down here, they brought their own culture, their own races, their own unique features, and they mixed it with the local culture which is of India. Now, with these unique features, they have mixed up with the local culture and they have formed an entirely diverse culture. Now, to understand the geographical factor and the historical factor, we will study the difference in the people in the different part of the country on the term of the geographical, economical, religious and cultural factor. Now, let us study about the geographical diversity. You know that there are 6 main physical divisions in the country: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the coastal plains, the peninsular plateau and the islands. So as we have studied in the geography, that there are 6 main divisions, physical division of the country, that is the northern mountain, northern plains, great Indian desert, the coastal plains and the peninsular plateaus and the islands. Now, people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. Not only does it make people dress differently, but it also determines the kind of food they eat, what they do for a living, and the custom they follow. People living in different religion also have different food habits. In cold people places such as Kashmir, people eat meat and milk products, especially in winters. A few crops are grown here. People living in coastal areas eat rice, fish, and coconut, which is locally found. The food is also cooked with a lot of spices. So, as we know that the people live in different geographical features, and each geographical features affect the life of the people along with the dress and the eating habit. As we know that people living in the states of Kashmir, which is cold region, they eat meat and milk product here, especially as it is cold here and only few crops are grown here due to the cold. Now, people living in the coastal regions, they eat rice, fish and coconut, as they are locally found very easily. As in the coastal region, they can grow the rice as they have plenty of water. They catch fish from the seas, and coconut, they use the coconut as there is abundance of coconut. Now, the food cooked in the coastal region is have a lot of spices, means the food cooked in the coastal region are very spicy. Now, economic diversity. The economic activity of an area are influenced by the area's geographical condition. In different regions of India, different crops are grown. Agriculture is the primary occupation of people residing in the fertile northern plain, while Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu mainly grows rice. Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh mainly grow wheat. For people living in coastal areas such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Maharashtra, fishing is an important economic activity. So economic activity is also influenced by the geographical condition where the people live. The different region in India, in the different region in India, the different crops are grown, and the agriculture is a main occupation, and the crops main occupation of the people, that those reside in the northern plain, while in the Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu mainly the rice is grown, while in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh mainly wheat is grown. Further, people living in the coastal areas such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Maharashtra, fishing is an important activity as they reside near the ocean and it is easy for them to fish. Now, tomorrow I will continue from the cold regions such as Ladakh. Thank you.